city. We get lit in any city. My girl, you don't just look cute, you're pretty, pretty. You say that next line, you're kinda tricky. She says she loves it, my juice, me call her Mississippi. But anyway, you see we shipping at the place. Got a couple weddings with us, not enough vehicle.
Yeah, Tuesday on the rocks, rocks, rocks. Which one of them I go take home?
So hi my babies. Today I am going to be revamping a jeans dress I bought at Rainbows for $7, guys. $7, right? Before I bought by Rainbow. I am gonna cut it up, punch some holes, put some beads on it, put some paint. I'm gonna get crazy with it. And I said crazy with it. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I did a video yesterday and boy, oh boy, my energy was, ooh. When I saw in that video, I was like, oh my gosh, I am tired. I mean, this YouTube is work. I be up all hours of the morning. You know what I'm saying? But hey, thank God for life. Thank God for everything. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I love you guys. I miss you guys. So I'm going to do a DIY today. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to start to... So the first thing I'm going to do is... the length of this, I think, is a little bit too short. It's a little bit too long, I mean, for my liking. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the length of the skirt. Cut the length of the skirt now. Yeah. So I'm not using any scissors. I'm just going to try to cut the length of the skirt into a desired length. Right? Don't want no old granny stuff around here, you know. So I'm gonna cut this. So here I go. I'm cutting my desired length. And with denim, you don't have to worry if it's fringed or if it's going to be fringing at the end, because guess what? Style as style. Style as style. And style can pile. Right? So guess what? I'm just cutting my desired length. So first thing out of the way, I just cut off the excess piece of fabric at the bottom. Looks straight enough. It looks straight enough. Yeah. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to add some beads all over the bottom part, the front bottom part of it. So I'm going to thread my trusty needle and add some stones at the bottom of it. I'm going to use these beads. These are maso glass beads. Got all different sizes. Yeah. It's going to be epic. It's going to be epic. Epic. So here I go. I have some thread already threaded. All right. I'm going to try to bead, add some beading onto my dress. Yeah, hope you guys are having an awesome day today. It's awesome. It's an awesome day in NYC. The weather is good. It is good today. Just trying to do some little DIYs, make some videos, make some content. Because I think I want to go out on the weekend, like, you know, be with my kids and stuff, just to, you know, yeah. So I am just gonna like do this here. So I'm just like threading in the bead, right? First thing first, what you have to do before you thread the bead, you sew it into the fabric, and then you pass the needle through, and then you could just like sew it onto the fabric, your desired where you go. And you know me, guys, I got some patience, so yeah, I got some patience. You guys know that already. Me with my details and stuff, you know, I got some patience. So I am just gonna pass it through again and just try to get the beading in there, you know, so it doesn't unloose. I'm just gonna put beading all over the fabric. So I'm going to show you what I did. See, the first one is done already, right? And this is like a weaving thread, so it's very, very strong. I recommend use weaving thread. Weaving thread is much better. It's stronger, and yeah, I'm going to be happy with the outcome of the product of your DIY. Yep. Just gonna double knot. And then I'm gonna go again, get another bead, and just keep on adding them. Keep on adding my desired beads. Yeah, desired beads. Okay. Not the end of the thread. And I'm gonna go on this side here and do what I gotta do. Double knot to make it secure. So now I have a black bead, and I'm gonna do it on this side here. Just rub it, pass it through the cloth, the material, right? Then I'm gonna pass the needle through the bead, and I'm just gonna like stitch it onto the fabric to secure it. Yep. And that's what I'm going to do, just pass it again through the cloth to have it. Yeah. So I normally do DIYs that you don't really see in the stores, guys. I like to look, and I like to have my clients looking really, really like one of a kind, unique. So if you want unique, they come to me for the unique stuff, you know? Stuff you don't ever see in the stores. That is what some of my customers, they request, but this is going to be mine this time. I'm actually making this little number for myself. So, yeah. So I'm making it exactly the way I want it. Yeah. Okay. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of progress. I did like, what, 4 beadings so far? Yeah, it takes some time. So I'm going to just do some at the bottom, and I will let you know the progress. You know, how far I get to and stuff on my other ideas. Because I'm just going by ear right now, trying to figure out what I want to do, where the beads going to be laid, and yeah, just trying to figure out what's happening right now, okay? I'm going by ear, so, you know, you're watching it unfold right before your eyes. You know, I'm doing it the same time. So, you know, let's see how it's going to turn out, right? Let's see. So I'm going to use some of these beads. This beads my friend Miss Tish had given me. So I'm going to put some of these beads onto my dress. Yes. When you got good friends, guys. Yes, good friends are hard to come by. So she gave me all of these beads here and then some. So I'm going to incorporate these beads into my dress. Yes. So I'm showing you guys the progress thus far. I put some flat stones that I got from my friend and just keep on doing it, sewing the beadings. Then what I'm going to do next, I'm going to make like a ruched, like a accordion pleat at the side, but it's going to be like ruched, so it's going to be like guarded up at the side, the both sides, you know, to give it a ruched look. Yeah, I have it all planned out, guys, you know. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some more stones, like in the close to the middle section. I added my first bead. I did the bottom of it. I put some little bit of stones at the bottom of it. This is how the bottom looks so far. Yeah, it's coming to come, as my mom would say. And I'm going to add some more beads in the midsection, close to the midsection. So what I'm doing is I'm following the lines and following the hem. I'm following the inseams on the dress. And you see I put one here on this side. I'm just going to like match it up and put the other one on this side. Okay, guys? So I'm just giving you a little, you know, I'm just catching up with you, making you know what's going on. It's a process, but your girl got it. Okay? So this is the progress thus far. I'm just going to sew a little bit more beads. And then I'm going to just do, sew up the sides of it to give it like a little ruched look. Yeah. Okay, guys, just showing you the progress. This is the progress thus far. I'm enjoying it. Yeah. So, guys, I sewed up the side of it. Give it a little like a ruched look at the side, right? And I'm going to do the other side. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. And what I used to measure how high the ruched is going to be, the ruched look, I stopped at like the bead. Like this bead here, I'm going to stop right here. So I'm going to sew from here and I'm going to go all the way up and stop right here. So this is going to give me the measurement of how high I want the ruched look to be. Okay, guys? So what you do is you sew your needle on your thread, right? You knot your needle, you double knot your needle. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go up, in, and out. In and out. In and out. Right? And then I'm going to use the other side to estimate how it's going to be or how high it's going to be. So I'm just going to keep on going in and out, in and out, in and out. In and out. Until I get to this bead right here. Hope you guys are having an awesome night. Yeah, it took a lot. It took a while, guys. It took a while, but as I tell you, these DIYs are good for, you know, when you have things on your mind or when you just want to just relax. This is really good for you right now. So what I'm going to do now is I sewed it up. I'm just going to tug on the thread a little bit to give it like a ruched look, right? And I'm going to go sew back down the opposite direction, in and out, so that the stitching will be really strong and really durable. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going to go back down. Yeah, the thread is a little tangled. Try to get it untangled. And yeah, I'm just going to give it a second stitching, so that it'll be all good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. There we go. And what I'm going to do now is just take the needle inside on the opposite side, right? And I'm going to just give it a little stitch in on the wrong side to make sure the design at the side, the ruched look, it stays all in place. Okay? Yeah. So I'm almost done. I'm just showing you the techniques I use to accomplish this look. This thread, it tangles a bit, but it's all good. Yeah. Yeah. And it's done now. I'm just gonna reinforce it a little bit again. And then again, you see, weaving thread I think is the best to use when you're beading and stuff. Yeah. It depends on how big the bead is. Well, if the bead is much smaller, you could use like a thinner, or nylon thread, or yeah, nylon thread. But if the bead is big like this, I suggest you use this weaving thread. This weaving thread is very, very strong, and it will give you the desired style you want. Yeah. So this is done now. This is practically finished now. It's done. It's done. I'm gonna show you the way it looks now. Hi. Yes, it was a process. It was a process. It was a process. This is the look of it now. Right, this is the ruched look at the side I was telling you about. Right, at the side. Right, and these are the beadings here. I cut it up. And I just put beadings on it. And yeah, this is the end of it. This is actually the end of it. I am pleased with the finished outcome. Hope you guys are pleased with it too. So this is gonna be my hot girl denim dress. Right, guys? Everybody needs a hot girl dress, right? So I made my own, and I'm pleased. I am pleased. Let me see how it looks. Let me stand up and give you a little demo of how it might look. Let me see. But I'm gonna try it on later on, and I'll insert pics. Right? So this is how it looks against me. Right? Let me show you the bottom of it. The sides once more. And yeah. This is it. This is it. Hope you guys have an awesome, awesome night. If you made it this far, I love you, love you, love you. You guys are awesome. You guys rock. Much love to you. Thanks for supporting me. Thanks for being here with me always. Yeah, you guys are a breath of fresh air. Love you guys, okay? Mwah! See you next time. Mwah!